Easily attach documents to your Edge order by clicking the Upload File button at the bottom of your Edge page. The attachment window you were initially taken into contains an itemized list of all attachments made thus far to your Edge order. To add to this list, simply click the Upload button at the bottom of the window. You'll be presented with a new window to make attachments by. First, select the line number you want to make the attachment to. Then click Choose Files. Search your local desktop to find the document you want to attach. You can add a description to define the document you are attaching, whether it is a correspondence, elevation, hardware template, miscellaneous document, or a quote. Then click Upload, and that document will be attached to your Edge order. During the moment when you are sending the order to the factory, any attachments you have made to your Edge order will marry up with the order form to make one complete packet for our order management team to work from. Some things to note about attachments. If you have a package of elevations or drawings built in another project management software program, don't worry about splitting the attachments. CECO wants to make this process easy for you. Simply save your package of elevations or drawings to your desktop as one PDF file. When you are ready to attach, leave your select line number field blank. Then click Choose Files. Find that packet of elevations and then click Upload. Just be sure that you have the right sketch number listed on each line in the sketch number column so our order management team knows which document to review when finishing the line. If you have sketch 1A, for example, going into all lines entered on your Edge order, then leave your select line number field blank. Then click Choose Files and attach that document one time. Just be sure that you have sketch 1A listed on all lines of the PO so that our order management team knows to review the drawing for that selected line. You can attach most anything needed to your Edge order form, such as drawings, sketches, elevations, templates, quote details. What you don't want to attach are documents such as hollow metal schedules or hardware schedules. Orders that contain documents like this will be sent to our order right team, which charges a fee to review those documents and will delay your order. If you have any questions about translating information from a hollow metal or hardware schedule, reach out to your CECO customer service professional and they can help. One final point regarding attachments. Any attachments made are from external sources, which means those documents will not be visible with your Edge order form in both Print Preview and in the DOT Status tab when you review the copy of the order form. If you ever want to review what you have attached to an Edge order, all you have to do is double-click on the project, even if you have already submitted it, and click Upload File. Click the eye icon next to the document and Edge will open that for your review. CECO Edge is proud to add helpful tools like Upload File to make ordering even easier. Thank you for using CECO Edge. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.